Yeah, dietary modifications should be considered not only in young patients but all patients who are diagnosed with hypertension. We have to reduce their daily consumption of salt or sodium. The recommendation is that if we consider salt, they should consume less than 6 grams of salt per day. By salt I mean sodium chloride, and when we take into consideration the amount of sodium they should consume, it should be less than 2.4 grams per day. Apart from that, we recommend that all hypertensive patients, they should consume a diet which is rich in potassium. They should consume lot of raw fruits and vegetables, and they should also undertake some form of aerobic physical activity. That is, they can either go for a brisk walking, they can do cycling, they can do swimming. Some of them who are interested in some form of dance such as Zumba and all, they can do that. So, a diet which should be less in salt, it should be more rich in potassium, along with some sort of regular physical activity is advised for hypertensive patients.